Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Derek. Get him. Oh!
Bagel here. Put it in reverse here.
What? What? What?
Mr.
The-
Beast
it's
Burger?
pictures of cats, and it's just like these horror story fucking voiceovers.
But to my absolutely horrified fears, Evil John was kissing Evil Larry.